If you've been on the hunt for a video generator that claims to be user-friendly and efficient, you might have come across PixVerse AI. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this tool really offers, and whether it's worth your time and money. PixVerse AI positions itself as an AI-powered video generator aimed at simplifying the video creation process. The platform allows users to create videos from text prompts, which sounds great for marketers, educators, or anyone needing quick video content. The user interface is relatively straightforward, which is a plus for beginners. You can easily input your text and select styles, and the AI does the rest, generating videos that match the prompts. However, while the concept is solid, some parts feel a bit vague. For instance, it's not entirely clear how diverse the output styles are or how customizable the generated videos can be. The website mentions templates but doesn't provide much detail on what they include. This could leave advanced users wanting more flexibility. Also, there's limited information about the video quality and rendering speeds, which are crucial for anyone serious about video production. Let's break down the pros and cons here. On the plus side, PixVerse AI is definitely user-friendly, making it accessible for those who aren't tech-savvy. The ability to produce videos quickly is a big draw, especially for content creators on a tight schedule. However, there are some notable downsides. The lack of detailed customization options might frustrate more experienced users. Plus, without clear information about pricing, users might hesitate to commit. There's also a trust factor to consider. The transparency around the technology and company background feels a bit thin. If you're looking for high-quality, polished videos, you may want to explore other options that offer more robust features. In conclusion, PixVerse AI could be a good fit for beginners or those needing quick, simple videos. However, if you're an advanced user seeking depth and customization, you might want to look elsewhere. It's worth giving it a try if you're curious, but just keep your expectations in check.